This is the Secured Entrepreneur Show, and I'm your host, Aurorah Dey. Welcome, and thank you for joining me here for the 10th episode of the Secured Entrepreneur Show. Today I'm going to talk to you about business trusts versus corporations. I'm seeing more clients who are choosing to go the business trust route. These are entrepreneurs who would have otherwise created an S or C corporation, however, have found that the trust structure provides way more of the protections that they're looking for regarding their personal and business assets as well as investments. I'm Aurorah Dey. Protecting your business starts before you open for business. I'm helping more entrepreneurs create business trusts because they're attracted to the privacy that the entity affords them. Understanding the true power of this entity, they appreciate not having to file anything with the Secretary of State unless, of course, they're servicing the public with something like insurance or something in the financial industry like banking, etc. For the most part, the trust happens to be a private arrangement between the parties who are involved. It gains its status via a voluntary action by these individuals. So there's no need to obtain a charter from the state giving this legal entity recognition. There are no articles of incorporation, no annual reporting, no initial reports to file with the state for a fee that could prove to be rather expensive. Anyone who has ever started a corporation is well aware of this process. Now, a business trust is an unincorporated business organization created by a legal document. It's better known as a declaration of trust, and it's used in place of a corporation or partnership for the transaction of various kinds of business with limited liability. Very much like a traditional trust, the trustees have legal rights, they have legal title to the trust property to administer for the advantage of its beneficiaries who do hold equitable title and equitable rights to said property. The declaration of the trust specifies the terms, it specifies the duration, also powers and duties of the trustees, as well as the interests of the beneficiaries. The beneficiaries do receive certificates of beneficial interest as evidence of their interest in the trust, which happens to be transferable. The property of a business trust is managed and controlled by trustees who have a fiduciary duty to the beneficiaries to act in their best interests. The beneficiaries, according to their interest in the trust, share profits and losses from the use and/or investment of the trust property. There's so much to learn about setting up and operating this type of entity. However, the main things that I caution clients about is understanding their state's law regarding transactions and the limited liability of a trustee. Trustees must have provisions in their contracts to indemnify them, as they can be liable to third parties who do business with the trust. Regarding lawsuits, again, trustees should make sure that they have indemnity from trust property as well as from the beneficiaries, simply because the trustee has the right to sue and can also be sued as the individual holding legal title to trust property. All right, I'm ready to get into the next episode. So please feel free to leave your comments and questions and subscribe here on iTunes, and visit me, Aurorah Dey, on Google+, at Aurorah Dey on Twitter, Aurorah Dey Consulting on Facebook, or stop by www.aurorahdeyconsulting.com, AURORAHDEY consulting.com. Until next time. With Aurorah Dey, you are secured.